Hi, I'm Marielle from MarielleAccentCoach.com, and I work with professionals from all over the world who want their speech to sound clearer and more native-like when speaking English in professional contexts. And today I want to talk to you about how you're currently pronouncing the sound air, as in care, where, there. A really common mistake that non-native English speaking professionals make with this sound is skipping the first part of the sound and jumping too quickly to the second part. The sound air really consists of two separate vowels that we're putting together. First, you have which is similar to the sound in a, as in day, say, way. And then you have like in were, nurse, person. So we're mixing and to get air, air, air. Two separate sounds being put together. And the thing is, you really have to hear both of the sounds, not just one of them. And another issue is we have words like where and were. Where, were. The only difference is whether you have the two vowels or the one vowel. Air, where, were. You also have hair and her, pair, per, share, sure. So what's the mistake that you might be making right now so that you can work on it? Well, you might be saying cur instead of care. You might be saying der or there instead of there, or were instead of where. I don't care. I like your hair. You should wear a pair of shoes. It's over there. Do you have anything to declare? I wasn't aware. The mistake being made here is that I'm only hearing the part, as in were, her, nurse, person, not air as in care, there, where, share. So to make sure that you're really pronouncing both of those vowel sounds, I'm going to break down the movement for each and teach you to stay a little bit longer on the first part of the sound. For the first vowel in the vowel combination air, you're going to move the middle of your tongue forward and up, making a sound similar to a, forward and up. A. Then from that position, to go to the sound, you just move the middle of your tongue back, forward and up, and then back. Two distinct movements. The first one brings your tongue forward and up, and then the second one brings your tongue back. Now combine them. Air, forward and then back. Air, two movements. Air, air. Make sure that you don't go straight to Don't do this. Here, the middle of my tongue is jumping back too quickly. It's going to the second sound, but not staying long enough on the first sound, So you have to stay longer on the first part. Matter of fact, in an American accent, anytime you have a combination of two different vowel sounds, like in I, a, oi, air, ear, anytime you're mixing two vowels, the first one should always be twice as long, twice as loud, and higher in pitch than the second one. So I actually need to hear that first part, longer than the R. And I should hear your voice get louder. I should hear your pitch go up on and I should hear your voice get quieter and your pitch go down on the second part. Notice that switch? Air. See how the focus is on not So I actually need to hear a little bit less. I need to hear the vowel before it, a little bit more. It should be longer, louder, and higher in pitch. Air. Stay longer on the first part. Tongue forward. Air. air. Don't do this. Air. No, stay longer on the first part. Diminish the second part. Air. Let me hear that a vowel, loud and clear. Air. Good job. But now you have to be able to do it in words and real life speech. Here's some phrases for you to practice it with, and I want you to make sure you're staying longer on the first part of the sound. Care. Not cur, no. Care. Stay longer on the first part. Care. Now say it with me. I don't care. Not, I don't care. Nope. 2 movements and stay longer on the first one. I don't care. Second one, there. Don't say there. Nope. 2 movements, stay longer on the first one. Air, there. I wish there was time. Oh, this one is going to be more challenging for you because the word containing this sound is in the middle of the sentence instead of at the end. So you might try to rush through it. You might say it too quickly and then lose the first part of the vowel. So I want you to say that word a little bit more slowly inside of the sentence so that your tongue has time to make 2 different movements, okay? Air, there. I wish there was time. 2 movements, not 1. I wish there, air. I wish there was time. I wish there was time. There, air. You don't want to say this. I wish there was time. There. No. Air. I wish there was time. It's over there. Air. It's over there. You don't want to say it's over there. No. 2 vowels. Stay longer on the first one. Air. It's over there. There it is. There. Air. There it is. Not there it is, but air. There it is. Stay longer on air. I like your hair. Hair. Not, I like your her. No, 2 movements. Air. I like your hair. Who's your hairdresser? Hair. Who's your hairdresser? Not her dresser. Hairdresser. Who's your hairdresser? Wear. Pair. You should wear a pair of shoes. This one's tough. It has the same sound twice. Wear, pair. You should wear a pair of shoes. You're going to have a lot of rolling around the middle of your tongue in this sentence. Feel multiple movements. Air. You should wear a pair of shoes. Care. Where. I don't care where we go. I don't care where we go. Hey, if you are a non-native English speaking professional and you would like to master a clear and genuinely native sounding American accent in 2026, be sure to check out the link in the description box or the comment section down below for more information on my one-on-one American accent coaching programs. I would love to meet with you for a free 15-minute consultation where we can discuss your goals and how we can work together. That's it for this video. Ciao!